Thank you once more, Program Director, for giving us this opportunity. I was always presenting our finances to the board members each and every quarter. So I think it's time now they hear what we were doing all the year from our external auditors, which they will be presenting for us, so they can hear that we were not playing, we were working. Yes, I will give it to Mr. Liolo. Mr. Liolo, over to you.
No, thank you. My name is Luyolo Ngongwa. I'm the audit partner from Lixman Accounting Services. We were responsible for auditing all the programs of Philani Community Development. Maybe let me give you an overview about the relationship that we have with Philani. We've been auditing Philani for probably the past 5 years. We actually understand the organization very well. So when we perform our audit process, before we even verify the financial information that we get from the respective programs, there are certain tests that we perform where we check the internal controls of the organization. We do the assessment of the control environment, the people who prepare the financials. Does the organization actually have a system in place to compile reports? So we do all those assessments during our audit planning before we perform what we call our substantive testing. So the results that we actually received when we did our test of controls were very satisfying. Philani has been one of those organizations where when we issue audit findings, we discuss them with the management. They are one of those organizations who actually take our findings very seriously, and they engage us through the process of actually resolving the issues that we have actually identified. And I think it will be fair for me to thank the executive management of Philani, because I think they've set the tone very high at the top, and you could see that tone being actually infiltrated within their personnel. And I believe they deserve a round of applause for it. And going to the business of the day, I'm going to only highlight our audit opinion, and the finance officer will be able to go through the financials in details. And our opinion was a clean audit with a standard qualification on the donations. So basically what does that mean is that for all the NPOs, there is that standard qualifications on donations. It doesn't say things were not actually done correctly. So it's just a standard qualification for the protection of the auditor when you audit your donations. So people with the financial knowledge of how the audit process works on the NGOs will actually understand it much better. So I've also indicated that we have audited all the programs individually, and there were no significant audit issues that were identified. And we also did the consolidated financials, where we have actually looked at the consolidated effect of the whole organization, and also our findings were not significant to impact our audit report. And lastly, we also looked at the financial health of the organization. If you look at their income statement, you will see that their revenue actually increased from 5.8 million to 6.8. So basically what that means is that the entity is actually within good, sound financial health terms. Even though they are sitting on a deficit, remember the purpose of the NGO is not to make a profit, but to meet the needs of the community. I thank you.